For years, India's narcotics challenge was largely defined by heroin from the Golden Crescent and methamphetamine from the Golden Triangle. But a recent seizure under Operation Rage Pill may signal the arrival of an entirely new threat. A record 227 kg of Captagon, the synthetic stimulant often linked to the conflict zones and extremist networks and war economies in the Middle East, has been intercepted in India. Let me straight away go to Rami. She joins me from Chiang Mai, and she's there for a conference. Thank you for making out time for me. Rami, why is this important? You wrote in your article that this is being used by terrorists.
Good evening, Karthikeya. Glad to be back on your show, and I'm very glad that you've picked up on this topic, which at least I thought was important enough to write about. This is the first consignment of this drug called Captagon that we've caught, and we've caught it on our port. Captagon, like traditionally in many drugs, initially was legal in the 60s, was used, it was like the base was phenethylamine, and it was used to treat medical issues like narcolepsy, fatigue, chronic fatigue, lethargy, so on and so forth, even ADHD, attention deficit disorders. And sure enough, realized as the usage increased as a medical drug, they realized that it had high addictive qualities, and also other problems resulted in the usage, long-term usage of this. And UN banned it in the 80s, saying it's a psychotropic drug. Now, when it was banned, and this is, I'm just giving you a little background of it, when it was banned, it went underground. Illicit production of this drug started, and this sort of illicit production found a home in conflict driven Syria. It also just exploded post the fall of Assad regime, and sort of got distributed into not just production, but fragmented warlords started controlling it, and it sort of got distributed across West Asia. Now, we, as you rightly said, are used to looking at this trade, this narcotics illegal trade, from the lens of heroin coming from the Golden Crescent, or methamphetamine, synthetic drugs, and others coming from the Golden Triangle. But for this drug to be found in one of our ports, at the Mudra port, for it to be found there, marks a inflection point in what is really happening in the narcotics trade in the world, and we then now have another opening to contend with.